420 Things Grow in Ontario. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. And today we got another unboxing from AC Infinity self-watering fabric pot base. This is going to complete the set of a full-on grow AC Infinity style in the 2x4 tent, AC Infinity lights, AC Infinity everything. Now, you're wondering if this stuff was gifted to me. No, I bought this. And you can also buy it. If you were to buy it using my coupon code, 420 Things Grow, well, that's what it is today, but that could change. So check the link in the description. Head on over to AC Infinity's website. Put the coupon code 420 Things in, or 420 Things Grow, or whatever it says in that in the description. You put that in at checkout, and you will get yourself 10% off. So yeah, so there's two in here. Let's pull these out. Let's bring one here. It's another box inside of a box. So this is 2 for, you know what? I don't need to take the second one out. I'm gonna leave the second one in because I am gonna be growing in the 2x4. So I'm only gonna be using half of this kit. This is a 4-pot set. So water management, auto irrigation, reservoir meter, solid construction. So I did grow just recently in a tent with their pots. They have the little holes in them and stuff. I have a video on that on the channel for their fabric pots. Do not stand on the product. That's a good thing. Yeah, clean it. Yeah, exercise caution when fusing frayed wick lines together. Improper use of lighters and other such fire may cause severe burns, injury, and death. Oh, death? Huh, I wonder what I have to do here. I'm okay with the lighter though, but fusing it together. I want to get to that part of the instructions, but let's get this stuff out and let's see what we got here. So I'm gonna do this in the 2x4 with 2 pots. And depending how it goes, I could do it in my 5x5 with 4 pots. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. A bag of this. 4 of these. Assuming, yeah, and then each one's separated with some foam. So let's get one out. Let's get it installed here. So, there's the wick lines that could cause death, so we gotta be careful of that. Assuming we only need one of these since there's 4. Some wick line, which looks like just, yeah, 4 of those. 4 of these. Okay, into the instructions, assembly. So, support column with the grooves cut out at the bottom. Oh, okay, each one of these goes into one of these. That's pretty easy. It just kind of gives a go through underneath. Then you have the drain plate with the water spout and the water meter, right? So you got 2 of them here, 2 cutouts. One of them goes one way, one of them goes the other way, and it goes like this. And that's pretty simple. But because I did that, hey, now it's good. And then put in the water meter. Which is going to go into here, right? Yeah, all the way down. Yeah, like that. It's going to sit in the water, right? And when the water level goes up, it's going to go in here and float that all the way up. So that's pretty it. And then the wick lines, what does it say about the wick lines? It says drainage holes will collect water runoff from the bottom and the sides of the fabric product to maintain a cleaner workspace. Okay, yeah. Drain excess water runoff when the meter indicates a full basin. Pour the water out through the spout. Opposite on the meter, yet refill the basin whenever the water meter reaches empty. It's recommended to clean the basin every 2 weeks to prevent minerals from building up and pests from nesting. Every 2 weeks. So, every 2 weeks, like, if there's a pot here, you're gonna have to pull the pot off and then pull this off, right? And then the wick lines are gonna go in here. But anyways, okay. All right, so self-watering function. Your plant roots must reach through to the bottom of your fabric pot for the self-watering action to fully properly. Yeah, so when we put in seedlings, it's not going to happen. And it's going to set your fabric pot on the top drain plate. Do not twist your fabric pot around to adjust it. Just pull the wick lines out, yeah. The lower third of your pot. And then because we're doing 5-gallon pots, it wants 2-foot length cords. So you're going to have to cut them, fray them. When they're frayed, you're going to melt them with a lighter. Be careful, watch out for death. And then put them in and then make sure they go into the water so it'll wick it up. It's pretty straightforward for these things. It takes about a gallon to fill up the base is what I've read and seen everywhere else. So I'm going to put these in the 2x4. So that's it for this video, guys and girls. But be on the lookout for the video. Head over to acinfinity.com. Use the coupon code that's listed in the description, and you'll get yourself a discount. And that'll help out the channel. That's why I'm buying some AC Infinity products. One, they're good, and two, I get a bit of a cut from them. So check them out.